All I but I know how I feel about you now. Not a day pass me by, not a day pass me by when I don't think about you. And there's no moving on, 'cause I know you're the one, and I can't be without you. Can we bring yesterday back around? 'Cause I know how I feel about you now. I was dumb, I was wrong, I let you down. But I know how I feel about you now. Can we bring yesterday back around? 'Cause I know how I feel about you now. I was dumb, I was wrong, I let you down. But I know how I feel about you now.
Wonderful.
It's a sugar babes. Completely different to our country. It's nearly at the bottom now. Okay. All right. Should we do a Johnny Cash? Just go on then. You look like Ian Wright. You should be. You're in America somewhere commentating.
You should be in the States. Rolling around the bend, I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on. Oh yeah, but our train keeps on rolling down unto San Antonio. Well, when I was just a baby, Mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. For the shot of mine in Reno, just to watch him die. Oh yeah, when I heard that whistle blowing, I held my head and cried. Well, I bet that fish folks eating in a fancy kind of car, probably drinking coffee, smoking big cigars. Well, no, I heard it coming. I know I can't be free. Oh no, but those people, they keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. Well, if they freed me from that prison, if the railroad train were mine, then I'd move it on a little further down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I wanna stay. Oh yeah, but I bet that lonesome prison won't blow my blues away. Well, if they freed me from the prison, if the railroad train were mine, bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line, far from prison. That's where I want to stay. But I bet that lonesome prison will blow my blues away. Yeah, I bet that lonesome prison will blow my blues away.
Bravo.
Thank you. We'll do another cash Carter one, I think we're going to do. Are we? Jackson. Oh, right, okay. Yeah.
Song of the and it's called Perfect. I don't want a heart that never fails. I need someone to really care. Life is too short to play silly games. I promised myself I won't do that again. It's got to be
Wonderful.
it's got to be
Very pretty. It's 9 o'clock at night. I know I'm waiting for a pizza delivery from Just Eat. So I'm listening to music, enjoying the sights. Those out there are wind turbines, creates electricity, not windmills. Beautiful. Only one thing missing here. Maybe.
It's got to be Thank you for staying and listening. I hope you've been warming up. Thank you very much. Hopefully we shall see you again soon. Thank you.
No, I haven't got my car. I couldn't even get my jacket out the car.
This is a view from my hotel room, and that's the sea. Lovely view. Shame about the hotel. Wonderful view. That's a conscientious gentleman picking up the rubbish, putting it in the dustbin so that the birds don't gather. Someone who cares about their environment. Wonderful. Caring is sharing. There's so many ethnic cultures all mixed up here. So many. Indians, Bangladeshis, Pakistanis, Syrians, you name it, they're here. As well as the English and the Welsh. Because you do know that the Welsh, North Wales, they have their own language, although they speak English, but they do have the Welsh language that they prefer to speak. Oh yes. Wonderful. When the sun's shining, that beach is full. Very pretty. Beautiful. Wow. Very pretty, eh? Spectacular. This is a view from my hotel room. Colwyn Bay, North Wales, UK, July 4, 2026. Spectacular. Lovely views. All around Wales, you get lovely views when you're driving on the roads, on the motorways, the hills and the valleys. Because there was lots of coal mining here. It's a coal mining side of the UK, so that's why you get lots of hills built up over the years. Beautiful. Just like the people, very friendly. At the moment, I've lost my Wi-Fi signal, so I have no idea if I'm going in the right direction to where I need to get to. Just have to keep driving until the signal kicks in. Look at those hills, green, full of history. Wonder how many people have walked up there. Wales is always also known as the part of the UK with the more sheep than people. They do beautiful sheep, which produces beautiful meat. Lamb. Wonderful.